Yet another reason to come to Tiny House Summer Camp in Vermont. September, relaxshacks.com. So this, I feel, is one of the more easily convertible sheds to tiny houses. The possibility of that I have seen. Check it. And be sure to leave your thoughts and your take on it in the comments down below.
This is a 9 by 16 permit-free bunkie with a 1-foot overhang. So essentially, this bunkie is 10 feet by 16 feet or 160 square feet. The loft alone is 16 feet by 6 feet. So it is 96 square feet in the loft sleeping area alone.